but then use that, get to the field. Pick anything that can be reorganized and managed well. If it's water that you can manage it well. If it's cocoa that you can manage it well. If it's orange that you can manage it well. Repackage it and sell it in a better way that people will be more attracted to. And then learn how to manage people, how to manage the finances. And when you are leading people or when you're managing people, you have to understand the way they think. You have to understand. Now, people don't work with these regimens that if you don't meet this time, I will sack you. They don't care. You can sack them. They don't have problem. So you have to manage them from the human position, which means that they respond more to respect and honor than you shouting.
Yes.
And part of the reason is that in economies that are very rigid, time, clock, those things, they were using slaves. So that moved to these current management structures.
Okay.
We didn't have that kind of management here. So in our memory, we are in our memory, you still have to treat us as human beings, even if I work for you. And that's appropriate because we are not trained. We are not subjected to that here.
Wow.
So you want to push me, there's a limit. You can get me to do a lot of things if you see that you respect me. And respect is so much important to our people than your money.
Even though they may be poor, but they want their dignity protected.
Because they have a Busiafie, don't forget that.
It's true.
To their hometown and sleep in their Busiafie. So you are saying that they won't get anywhere to sleep. They don't have mortgage.
Okay. It's true.
And then God will bless them. So what is the problem? And so you have to understand from that position. And then when you're dealing with government institutions, don't be scared of them. They are the same Ghanaians. They respond to respect.
Okay.
If you treat them well and they give you support, they help you. But I would say that stay out of a lot of this where you are begging for somebody to give you contract. Stay out of that. Go to where you have direct contact with the market, with the customers. That one you do well. And never be worried about what your friends think.
Awesome.
Yes,
awesome.
Get a small room in your mother's house and build from there. Don't worry too much. If they have 10 cars, you don't have to have 10 cars. Even if you don't have a car, don't worry. Focus so much on where you want to go. And constantly study. If you can't read books at all, at least 2 books a month. If you can't read books at all, 2 books a month. And you have to do that for continuous at least 10 years.
Yes.
Concentrate knowledge. Because the knowledge from the school, you are saying you're educated, but we know you are not educated. That's why you can't know what to do with your life. So
this is so true, though.
Now you are in deficit with knowledge. Go and learn how to handle money. So when the business starts to make money, that's not the time you want to go to Amasamai and buy a plot. No. Make sure the business is doing so well. Rent until the business is so strong. And you can build a house in no time. Than trying to use the capital you need to do the business to go and build. And then by the time you are finished with your plot, your
business is disintegrated.
And then your business is also gone. Then you're back to square one. You say that Ghana is hard. Ghana is not hard. It's the wrong decisions and the choices that you made.
Come on, this is actually entrepreneurship and financial planning mixed together. And we gotten far more than we even bargained for. This is amazing stuff. I wish I knew some of these things when I relocated initially, because obviously I made several mistakes. Yes, I made several mistakes, even with all the technical knowledge and things. The knowledge on the ground
is different.
It's different.
It's different.
So, I wish I talked to you, man. I came immediately. Most of the headaches that I had in those times would have been a little bit softer, for me. This is super, super amazing. We are so blessed, Kwabena, that you've chosen to spend your time with us this evening. We would definitely want a 2.0 at some point.
No, at your command. I remember very well on campus. People don't change that much. Good people, good people.
Yeah.
I remember, you're a good man. So some other people, they're still ugly. We can't handle that. So
this is awesome. This is awesome. I really love this. I really love this. And we can't say more than to say thank you so much. You are a blessing to us. And I want everybody, let me reiterate again, subscribe to the Kwabena channel. It's Obeng Darko YouTube. Just put it in there, subscribe to his channel, and you will be blessed. But I think we want to do a 2.0 on financial planning.
Wow.
Yes. This one I'm putting your feet to the fire. We will do a 2.0 on financial.
I did books on this.
Okay.
The perspective is on entrepreneurship, actually.
Okay.
The report has been very good. I wrote that one in 2016.
Okay.
After all the foolishness, after all, you can't be. If you see somebody say something which is intelligent, I think that a lot of them may have been foolish. And I happen to be one of those.
Wow.
So we went through a lot of this. Then I wrote about finance and trying to build business here. If you go to loans and things like that and contracts, you'll be in trouble. You'll be in trouble. And then the other thing is the courage, resilience. You need a lot of courage to take and dare. Because if you're waiting for help in Africa, don't wait. Here, because our systems are different, our structures are different. And that's why people are saying, fix the system. I ask myself, when was the system ever built that we have to fix it? We rather build the system because we never had any system.
Yeah. Wow, that is insightful.
Yes, we never. When did we have it? Did you ever see any transport system or financial system?
Never.
No. Nkrumah tried, but So now let's build. Africans forget this because of the history that we
build the country, not fix the country.
That's right. Build. Let's build everything because really that's what we are doing. If Ghana goes to loan from IMF, look at the rate they give Africa. If Ireland or Greece go for loan, look at the rate. If somebody says that Africa, you compare Africa to China, no problem. But China is about 1.5 billion people with one president, one currency, one passport. Predominantly one language.
Yes.
Africa is 54 with 54 presidents, 40-something currencies. How many passports?
Thousands of tribes.
That's right. Who divided that? So to build Africa, it cannot be China's part, and it cannot even be America's part. America had 300 years of free labor, millions of people.
It's true.
Look at England. The goat there, where did they take them from? From the Gold Coast. Now we are building. Our part is different. So once you understand that, you'll be merciful. And on top of that, who educated our leaders? What kind of education were they giving? Who were they educated to serve? Were they educated to serve the people or to serve those who educated them? All these things we have to understand.
Right.
And then you'll be patient enough to say that no. It's just about 60-something years. It will take time. Sometimes they try to compare us to Singapore. I was in class in school with some of the Singaporeans. When they were finishing school, they were going back to Singapore. The Africans didn't want to go, especially
Nigerians. Yes,
they were staying. That's the psyche. So there's a big difference as to how we think, even. And for me, the more we study, the more confident we become. And the danger is, if you're not confident in yourself, you're not proud of your country, of your continent, there's a problem. You will never see the opportunities here. And so one of the things that will save you from becoming frustrated is learning to be proud of yourself and learning to be proud of yourself as an African. That one, you will not worry. That's why you can see the Rastafarians, the Americans, they don't worry.
Yeah, they are very laid back. They are very, very laid back.
Okay, and they're not frustrated. They understand. The other ones don't. Because Ghana must work. Yes, of course, it must work. But then we have to understand the steps that we need to take and what has gotten us here and what will get us out of here. And so that you can think of the other.
Yes.
You can think of the other.
Wow. Amazing. Baba, thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
And we will definitely circle back and do another one. And I keep saying, subscribe to his channel. He's a treasure trove of knowledge. Treasure trove. And Ghana must be proud to have you as a citizen. I can tell you that for a fact. Yeah.
Thank you.
So that's about it. let's do another episode, or if you've seen any of my previous videos, you can also enjoy yourself and with it. And I think you will be enlightened, you will be blessed, you'll be lifted up. All right. Thank you so much for your time.